In this video, you'll learn how to enhance your Python code efficiency using Claude's powerful optimization features, equipping you with skills to streamline your coding processes.
Welcome to our tutorial on using Claude for optimizing Python code. Did you know that even experienced developers often miss opportunities to optimize their code? Today, we'll introduce you to Claude's cutting-edge features specifically designed for Python efficiency. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how Claude can revolutionize your coding experience by identifying inefficiencies and suggesting smart optimizations. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, optimizing your code can significantly improve performance and reduce runtime. Let's dive in and see how Claude can help streamline your Python coding tasks. Before we can optimize, we need to understand what inefficiencies look like in Python code. Common inefficiencies include redundant loops, unnecessary computations, and inefficient data structures. These issues can lead to increased runtime and resource consumption. Understanding why these inefficiencies occur is crucial. They often arise from legacy code, lack of awareness of Python's capabilities, or simply oversight. The impact on performance can be significant, leading to slower applications and higher costs. Tools like Claude can help identify these inefficiencies by analyzing your code for patterns and suggesting optimized alternatives. Claude's ability to pinpoint specific areas for improvement makes it an invaluable tool in a developer's toolkit.
Once Claude identifies inefficiencies, it provides targeted suggestions for optimization. Understanding these suggestions is the first step. Claude might recommend changes such as using list comprehensions instead of loops, optimizing data structures, or applying more efficient algorithms. Implementing these recommendations can be straightforward, but it requires careful consideration of the context of your code. We'll walk through examples of how Claude's suggestions can be applied to real-world Python code, highlighting the benefits of increased performance and reduced complexity. However, challenges can arise, such as compatibility issues with existing code or understanding Claude's technical jargon. We'll address these challenges and provide tips for seamless implementation. After applying Claude's suggestions, testing and benchmarking your optimized code is crucial. Testing ensures that your code still functions as intended after modifications. Benchmarking tools like PyTest or Timite can help measure performance improvements. We'll guide you through setting up benchmarks to compare the performance of your code before and after optimization. This process can highlight further opportunities for improvement. Remember, optimization is not just about speed, it's also about ensuring your code is maintainable and functional. We'll also discuss how to verify that your optimized code maintains its intended functionality and doesn't introduce new bugs. Optimization is a powerful tool, but it comes with pitfalls. Over-optimization can lead to code that's difficult to read and maintain. It's essential to balance performance gains with code readability. Another common mistake is premature optimization, focusing on efficiency before understanding the problem fully. Such efforts can waste time and resources. We'll discuss how to recognize these pitfalls and avoid common mistakes, such as introducing complexity without significant performance gains or overlooking the broader system impact. Learning from failed optimizations is equally important. Every misstep is an opportunity to improve your approach and understanding of optimization dynamics.
Let's explore some real-world case studies where Claude significantly improved Python code performance. In these examples, we'll see how Claude's suggestions led to measurable improvements in runtime and resource usage. You'll get insights into the performance metrics before and after optimization, providing a clear picture of Claude's impact. These case studies also offer valuable lessons learned, such as the importance of understanding the underlying code structure before applying Claude's suggestions. They demonstrate Claude's role in successful optimizations and serve as inspiration for how you can leverage Claude's capabilities in your projects.
Many Python projects rely on popular libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Claude can be a game changer when used in conjunction with these libraries. We'll explore how to integrate Claude with these libraries to enhance their performance. For instance, Claude can optimize NumPy operations by suggesting more efficient array manipulations or providing insights into reducing Pandas data frame processing time. We'll provide examples of library-specific optimizations and discuss the benefits of using Claude in these contexts. Additionally, we'll offer tips for seamless integration, ensuring that Claude's suggestions align with the library's capabilities and your project's requirements.
The journey doesn't end with initial optimization. Maintaining optimized code is crucial to sustaining performance gains. Regular code reviews can help identify new inefficiencies and ensure compliance with best practices. Automated testing plays a critical role in continuous optimization, providing feedback on performance changes with every code update. Documenting changes is essential for tracking what optimizations were made and why. This documentation can be invaluable for new team members or when revisiting code months later. Finally, Engaging with the developer community and utilizing resources like forums or user groups can provide support and new ideas for maintaining optimized code. Thank you for joining us on this journey to optimize Python code using Claude. We've covered a lot, from understanding inefficiencies to applying Claude's smart suggestions and avoiding common pitfalls. Now, it's your turn to start optimizing and experience the benefits firsthand. We value your feedback. Let us know what you found most helpful and share your optimization success stories in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more content on code optimization and related topics. Tell us what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates. Happy coding!